I watched a friend of mine who's a very good coach essentially change someone's life in a room. It was incredible, but at the same time, it was really frustrating. Why was it really frustrating? For one simple reason, he wasn't capturing the fucking thing. And he did it again and again and again and again for so many other people in the room, and it was incredible to watch. But as a video editor, it was incredibly frustrating because this sort of thing happens more often than you might think. A lot of business owners give a lot of value every single day. They just don't capture it. They might be on a call, they might be doing a podcast, there might be an in-person event, they might just be meeting their client for a cup of tea. They give so much value, but there is no recording in the room. It's not being captured, it's not being shared, it's not being documented. These same people will actually come to me and say, I just don't have time to make video. Newsflash, you are making a lot of video, you are just not capturing the thing. So what the hell do we do about this? Let's be fair, you are a business owner, you are on Zoom a lot. Whether that's a podcast, whether that's a client call, whether it's simply a meeting with a good friend of yours in the same field, either way, you are dropping value every single day. The way to capture it is not through sitting on Zoom and hitting record. It's to set up one of these things here, right in the corner of your desk in a permanent position, and every single time you actually get on a call, you just hit record. The amount of value that you're going to capture, most of the time, it is going to make sense on its own. It's going to make sense out of context. But here's the most important thing. The value that you're giving to the person that you're speaking to on the Zoom call, 9 times out of 10, is going to be good enough to share directly as a piece of content to your ideal audience. And there's so many benefits of this. So first and foremost, you're not taking the extra time out of your busy schedule to sit in front of camera and just record dedicated content over and over again. You don't have the time to do that. But the thing is, whilst you're actually doing it on camera, you're capturing the natural value. So it's almost exhibit A, I'm this good, I'm speaking to XYZ clients and solving their problem. I can do the same for you. Seeing people do their job well in their natural environment is probably going to be the thing that makes people buy. If you think about it, it's almost like a bit of a sample. It's almost like if you want to visit a bar, let's say, or you want to visit a restaurant, you look at reviews, you look at photos, you look at videos, you actually see what it's like to be in that environment and enjoy that environment. The same thing is probably going to happen with your coaching business or your one-to-one service business. If people can see you ultimately in action, doing your job, it's almost like a sneak preview, and it's that sort of content that sells.